I didn't think it was gonna dry clear, but it did. It sure did. It sure did. Hey everyone, it's Tyra. Welcome back to my channel. My hair is shorter. It's a wig. Y'all can probably already tell because I was struggling to put this thing on. This is my second time filming this video, and I'm kind of over it. I'm over it. This wig is from Asteria Hair. They sent it to me. I picked it out. This wig is in the length of 16 inches, but I did cut about 2 inches off when I first filmed this video. But I only cut it because I didn't realize how long 16 inches was, and I wanted it to be kind of bobbish, so I cut 2 inches off. And yeah, I wand curled it because I love me some wand curls. And this is where we're at. Honestly, if I were to braid my hair underneath this wig, it would look a lot better, but I do not know how to cornrow, so I just have 12 twists under this wig, shoved into a wig cap, and yeah, that's what we are working with. So if you want to see how I got this look, if you want to see me struggle, keep on watching because, child, I was struggling. I really was. I'm just let y'all watch. Roll the clip. Don't forget to subscribe. All that good stuff. Just. Okay, so I put the wig on. It's not all the way dry. It's not styled. It's just on my head. Normally, when I wear wigs, the few times I wear wigs, I don't glue them down. I just use an elastic band, but I'm too lazy to sew on an elastic band to this. So I'm gonna try to glue it down, but I don't have any glue. And I don't have Got2b, but I do have this flexible styling knot by Cream of Nature. I want to say I had this for like maybe 2 years. I got it when I was a junior in college. And I used it once and I never used it again because this stuff is basically like glue. But I'm gonna use it today to try to glue this wig down. So I'm gonna just take a thin layer. They say wait for it to get tacky, but we ain't got time for that. So I'm gonna just place this thing down and hope for the best. Hopefully it stays. Now I'm also gonna take some mousse and just to get these baby hairs in order. I probably did that all wrong. I'm gonna really just try to finesse this. Okay. So I tied it down. Now I'm just gonna wait like 10-15 minutes. Okay, let the fun begin. I'm gonna take this off. Hopefully it's laid. Ooh, child, it is. Yeah, that thing on there, I told y'all. These baby hairs are a hot mess. I'm gonna redo them when I style the hair, but this thing is on. And it's clear, so now I'm just gonna cut off this lace. Ooh. Might be a little hard. Ooh, child, this stuff is back. The lace is cut. It's looking a little crazy right now, but I'm a finesse. What I like about this wig compared to my other wigs is that this closure is a 6x6 and my other two wigs, the closures are 4x4, the typical size of a closure. So this closure is a lot bigger, which means more parting space and just it's more versatile. We back. And we gonna take this off. Oh my gosh, that top is so tight. This hair is 16 inches. I wanted it to be more of a bob, so I'm gonna just cut it a little bit. No going back now. How would things look with this? I think it would be real cute. Should I cut bangs? I think I want to cut bangs. I feel like it would be so cute. I didn't realize I wasn't recording, but all I did was apply this wig to my head. I didn't use any glue. All I did was plop this thing on. Ooh. The thing about this wig is it does shed, but it's not excessive shedding. Like, it's a little bit of shedding here and there. But the hair is super soft. It curled really well. I didn't expect it to be as full, but it's full. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below what you think of wigs. Do you wear wigs? Do you not wear wigs? Let me know. Honestly, I love wigs. This has just taught me that I don't want to cut my hair right now. Well, honestly, if I were to cut my hair, it would look different because, you know, I'll be a fro. But I don't think I want to cut my hair anymore. So I guess that's good news for y'all because y'all really don't want me to cut my hair. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, bye.